artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing Luisa from Encanto. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artist, let's start this picture of one of the characters of Encanto. She is a very strong character, and the first thing we're gonna do is the eyes. I want to start with the left eye, doing a circle, just like this. And inside of the left side, we're going to do a half a circle. And it's look like this. And on the top part, we're going to pass the marker twice just to make it look like eyelashes. And we're going to add some triangles here just to make her eyelashes bigger. Now this half a circle, we're gonna fill it with black, and we're gonna leave a little bit of white space on the top part just to give it shine to the eye, like a highlight. Now let's leave a finger space, and we're gonna draw the nose, and it looks like a letter J. So we'll start from the middle of the eye going down, and it looks like this. And the next eye is gonna be really close to the nose. And I want to try to make them the same size. Let's do the half a circle inside, and I'm passing the marker twice for the eyelashes. And let's do the same thing, little triangles, and these are gonna be shorter than the other ones. Now let's fill the eye with black, just the half a circle, leaving a white space on the top. Now let's do the eyebrows. I'm gonna start on the right side. And this one go up a little, so we're gonna leave a little space and go up. And from here we're gonna do another line, and this is gonna be around the eye, so we're gonna go around and we're gonna connect on the top part. We are connected in a point, so let's do the same, passing the eye. I want to do another one. Now let's go over the eye with a curved line, and we're gonna stop with the eyelashes. And let's do the same here without touching the eye, just passing really close. And this triangle connect here really close to the eyelashes. Even if they cross the eyelashes, it's okay because we're gonna fill this with black. Now next to the eye, we're gonna do a little curl that goes down from her hair. So we're gonna start with a curve, and we're gonna do another one. Now let's go down a little bit more. So we're gonna go like a letter S, and we're gonna follow with the other one, following the same shape. This doesn't have to be exact like mine. Now let's do a little circle down here for the earring, and we're gonna do a half a circle for the ear and a little line inside. Now from this hair here, I'm gonna go up, and everything is really close to the eyes. I'm just leaving a little bit of space in between. And this line, it goes a little bit higher than the eyebrows. Now from the other side, I'm gonna do in the middle of the eyebrow a little dot. And we're gonna connect this curve with the dot, doing a little curve that goes down. Now from here, I'm gonna do another curl, and it's just a little curve over the eye, really close to the eyebrow. And now let's do another little one. And from this point, I'm gonna go up, doing little curves. In the other side, from the middle of the ear, I'm gonna go up. And from here, I'm gonna go up and down. This is kind of like the front of the hair. And we're gonna connect them here. Now we can finish the face, and we're gonna start from the earring to the other side on the curl, going around the eyes and stop. So underneath the nose, I'm gonna put a little dot, and we're gonna join here from the earring, going down to the dot. So I go down, and then it goes a little more straight, doing a curve going around the eye. So it's gonna look like this. I wanna go up and connect with the curl. Okay, so we're gonna put her smile, and it's gonna go a little bit higher than the nose, and just short curve like this. And now we can do the hair. Let's finish the ponytail. The first thing is gonna be a little bow that she has here. So let's start with a tiny half a circle, and we're gonna do 1 and 2 curves. And we're gonna make it double, so inside we're gonna make another one. And I'm doing this with the tip of the marker. And let's do the ponytail, and it has a lot of volume, a lot of curls. So we're gonna go over the bow. I'm gonna go like a curl, like a triangle here. Now let's do another curve, another triangle, a curve, and connect with the earring. The last thing we're gonna do, just to make a little bit more details, let's do here little bows going out and come back. Let's do another one here and connect. Okay, so this is how we're gonna leave the hair and the face. Now let's continue with the body. She has a very strong and wide neck, so we are gonna go from the line that we do down here. We're gonna do a line that go down, and on the other side I'm gonna do the line after the chin right here, and it's a little bit more curvy. And underneath we're gonna just go a diagonal line just to make it look more strong. After this we're gonna do a curve, and in this side I'm gonna do the curve underneath the line a little bit bigger. Now let's go down here, let's leave a little bit of space and do a curve. So now in this side we're gonna do a curve again, the same thing down here. It's like a letter C, and it's almost at the same level. So now let's extend this a little bit, and we can connect here. And inside I'm gonna make another line to make it double here. And here on the other side I wanna close and do it double. You can also put little lines inside just to make it look like the fabric. And let's finish the neck with a letter V. It's a long letter V right here. Let's make this double. And in the middle, we're gonna do a little bow underneath this letter V. We're gonna do 2 lines, and we're gonna close it like a letter V, like an upside down letter V. And to the sides, we're gonna do a curve, 1 and 2, and inside, let's make another one. There. Now this bow is at the same distance, or should be at the same distance of this curve. If it's not like this, you can make this line going down a little. We're gonna do another one in the other side, and we're gonna connect them. Okay, we're gonna go right underneath the bow. Let's finish the arm in the other side. We're gonna do a curve that is almost looking like a letter L. And in the other side, I'm gonna do a curve here, and I wanna extend it. And it's at the same distance. So now let's join them with a angle line. Let's do a curve in each side, and then we join. And inside I'm gonna put a line in each side just to make it look like the wristband. To finish, we're gonna do a curve and a curve, and we're gonna close with a line a little bit more straight. And on this side we're gonna do another line, and it make it look like her hand is closed. Now let's make the other arm. And so we're gonna start with a curve. We're gonna make like a letter J. We're going up and a little bit diagonal. And in this side, I'm gonna extend this line just to make it at the same distance. And we're gonna do a letter C, a little bit N. And on top of this letter C, we're gonna do a number 3. And in here, we're gonna put 2 little lines. And this line, I want to extend it to touching the arm. We're gonna put the same thing, 1 and 2 lines for the wristband. And we're gonna do 2 little lines inside. Let's do another line to make the skirt, and we're gonna do a line that goes diagonal way from this corner down. And from here, from the arm, I'm gonna do the same thing going down. And we're gonna join them with a curve. the last thing is gonna be the legs, and we're gonna start with 2 lines, and we're gonna leave a little bit more of a space between them. 1 and 2. This is making look like a little bit more strong legs, wider legs. And we're gonna join them with a letter C in each side. And on the bottom, I'm gonna do a little bit more of a line just to make it look like the bottom of the shoe. And let's do 1 and 2 curves. And we're gonna do some laces here, making a letter X. And in the other side, letter X. In the outside, we're gonna do a little bit of a bow here with 2 curves in each side. And there, that's it. We finished this character of Encanto. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. This is how my character turned out. I copied the colors of the character, and on the skirt here she has a lot of details, and she even have here little weights on the bottom. Now for the eyes, I add this little bit of a highlight with a white crayon. At the end, when the color skin was dry, I pass it one more time just underneath the neck and in the arms and on the legs to give it a little bit of a shadows. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!